Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install data packs for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. First, open your web browser. You can use any modern website you like, but for this example, I'm going to use modroof.com. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Discover Mods, and then click on the Data Packs tab at the very top. Now you need to choose a data pack. I recommend filtering these by Minecraft version. Scroll down until you find Game Version, and select 1.21.4. Now that they've been filtered, you can select a data pack. In this example, I'm going to use the Timber data pack, so click on it. Once you're inside the data packs page, click on the Versions tab. Then find the version for Minecraft 1.21.4, which is this one. However, make sure the platform says Data Pack. If we keep scrolling down, this one says Data Pack, and it's also for Minecraft 1.21x. To make filtering easier, scroll up and click on the platform drop-down menu, and select Data Pack. You can also do the same with the game version. Now that we've found the correct one, click into it, then click the green download button, and save the data pack to your desktop. Now that you've downloaded your data pack, we just need to install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've selected version 1.21.4. Once Minecraft is loaded, there are two ways to install a data pack, onto an existing world, or onto a fresh, brand new world. To install the data pack to an existing world, first select the world you want to install it to. Once you've done this, click on Edit at the bottom, and then click on Open World folder. This folder should appear. Now, click into the Data Packs folder and simply drag and drop your downloaded data pack into this folder. Once you've done this, you can close the folder, and click on Save. Now the data pack has been installed, go ahead and play that world. As you can see, I've just opened my existing world, and our data pack should be activated straight away. To test it, if I chop down this tree, it should destroy the rest of the tree with it. As you can see, the data pack is working as intended. If it's not working for some reason, press T and type /reload. This will reload all of your data packs. If it's still not working, restart Minecraft. To install data packs to a fresh, new world, first create a new world as you normally would. In the World Creation screen, click on the More tab at the very top, and then click on Data Packs. Now, click on Open Data Pack folder. A temporary new folder should appear. Simply drag and drop your downloaded data packs into this folder. Now that we've done that, exit out of it, and it should appear in Minecraft. Now, click on the arrow icon to move it from the available column to the selected column, like this. Now that the data pack has been enabled, click on Done, and create your new world just as you normally would. As you can see, I've just created my fresh, new world. If I chop down a wooden block from this tree, it should destroy the rest with it. As you can see, the data pack is working as intended. I can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as I normally would. Again, if this isn't working for some reason, press T and type /reload. If it's still not working, simply restart Minecraft. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips.